a new course that's gonna help you build your website in one day. I mean, in just one day. You're gonna learn how to book your domain, register it, and the best practices in domain reservation. You're gonna learn how to manage the emails, the web hosting panel, and also activate a completely premium SSO certificate for your website from your hosting panel. Also, in this course, we're going to teach you the new way of building websites. So we're going to show you how you can add users to the website, manage it completely with a WordPress admin. You're going to learn how to add users, make accounts, manage the emails. With this course, we're going to show you how to write professional SEO based articles, pages that rank well on Google. Also, we're going to show you how to design professional logos. So we're going to show you how to use Canva in order to design a professional website, use Adobe Illustrator to export an SVG based logo that's going to be used in the website and your social media campaign and social media profiles. So that's going to be awesome. We're going to show you how to use Photoshop, Illustrator, Canva within this course. We're going to show you how to make different variations of the logo, the dark and the light logos, with no code and completely with no previous technical experience. You're going to learn how to design visually your website, replace the content, and make it responsive for desktop, mobile, and even tablet, all in one within this course. Never think twice. Join us now and subscribe to the channel. Ahmad Nasser.